Organic cornmint is currently growing in this field in the early stages, but already it smells so strong, so good. This field here is 1 acre, which will house 6,500 kilograms of biomass, which will then convert into around 65 kilograms of essential oil. We're in the organic cornmint field. Are any pesticides or fertilizers used on these fields?
These fields have been organic certified for nearly 10 years now. So these people are practicing zero pesticides, and any fertilizer which is used is a manure, which is organic manure and everything. So practically no synthetic pesticides, no synthetic fertilizer used on this is last 10 years.
The challenge with organic farming, when growing so close to food production, this wheat here, on a really windy day like today, the pesticides once sprayed on these crops can easily travel over to these to these organic fields over here of the peppermint and the spearmint. So that's why we do sometimes see residual pesticides due to environmental contamination. This is a distillation unit of which 10 tonnes of biomass is put in. It's heated with water at the bottom, the steam rises through to collect the essential oil through this pipe, and condensed of only 100 kilos of essential oil is actually collected. So a lot of work for the farmers for 1% conversion.
This is a field distillation unit, typical for the area. So this does exactly the same thing, but is in the middle of the field, so you don't have to transport the biomass as far. This unit could be significantly improved by very simple investment in terms of safety features and some personal protective equipment. So it doesn't take much.
The crude meant the oil is transported from the distillation unit to the local organic registered essential oil factory, where it is flash distilled and filtered to remove excess water and field grime. It is then packaged for export, sampled for analysis, and sent to an external lab for pesticide residue testing.
Do you use to be able to tell the purity of the essential oil?
See, we can analyze the various compositions using the gas chromatograph. We have 2 gas chromatographs, and we have a GCMS, which is a mass spectroscopy as well. So the unknown components can be found out by the mass spectroscopy, which has a library inbuilt as well.
Oh, so what's the difference between a GC and a mass spectrometer?
See, GC is the one which just analyzes that the various peaks are there. But with the MS, it merges with the library and informs that that peak can be a variation of this and this. Now we can self-analyze based on the sample which we are doing as to this relates to which product.
So what is the biggest peak in mint?
See, in peppermint, if we talk about specifically, the biggest peak will be menthol.
Menthol. So Pradeep, how long have you had solar panels?
This is again just 3 years for this. When we built up this block, we had a space on the terrace we can have the solar system, and going the sustainable way and doing something like using less energy and all these things promoted us to do something which is generating solar energy for ourselves.
Well, you do have the sun for it, so you're roughly producing 75% of your own energy
During the day.
during the day.
Yeah.
Obviously, because of the sun.
We hope.
After obtaining the correct export organic documentation, including residual pesticide analysis, the drums are shipped to us, where the goods are imported using a certificate of inspection by Port Health and stored in our warehouses near Oxford, England and Utrecht, Netherlands, ready for our customers' orders.